Exciting day. We are working on the rear Alcon setup for the G87 M2. I got a couple buddies from Alcon over here getting ready to help us test fit this thing. We got the prototype caliper here. This thing is looking beautiful. Some prototype brackets, the hat, rotor. What size rotor we got here?
355.
All right, we got a 355. Is that 32 or is that a 28?
28.
All right, 28. So keeping it nice and lightweight. And yeah, this caliper takes what, a 25 mil thick pad? So we got the 30 mil thick pads up front and then 25 mil thick pad out back. Tons of meat. This caliper looks awesome, looking strong. So let's get this off and this on. We got Ben over here, the mad scientist from Alcon, working on getting this thing fit properly, and looks like he has done a pretty solid job. We made some tweaks to the bracket. I say he made some tweaks to the bracket, and it looks like we've got this thing centered up right. The height is set, looking nice. Got some pads in here that are just for test fitment. We're gonna be able to fit some pretty thick, meaty pads in here. 25 mil thick pads in the rear. As you know, we got the 30 mil thick pad set up front. So this is looking amazing. Do note, we are aware that rotor is the right side, passenger side rotor, not the left side, but for test fit purposes, this all works well, and we are, I think, ready to move to the next phase. So we'll get some final production pieces wrapped up, get this kit built out, and then get a kit on this thing, and looking forward to seeing how this baby performs. Exciting times, as now we have the production version of this rear Alcon G8X kit, and Austin just ran away from me somewhere. There he is. He's working on getting this installed, getting the bracket on right now. We got the rotor, this awesome big 4-piston caliper, getting rid of that single piston sliding caliper. That is a requirement because of the electronic parking brake, but we are ditching that system on this car for now. There still will be an electronic parking brake version coming. Alcon's working on that, but for right now, to get this car rolling with what we're trying to do, we are going to go ahead and get this baby on and roll without the electronic parking brake. Seeing how much this rotor weighs, the stock rotor, 12.8 kilograms. Let's put these babies in pounds, like a American. All right, 28.2 pounds for the stock rotor. That just feels lighter. 15.7, I forgot what I said, 28 something. So we are 13 pounds less for the rotor in the rear. That's awesome. Let's see, the stock caliper is 9.75, and then 4.75. So 5 pounds on the caliper, 13 pounds on the rotor. And then what else we got? We got more stuff. Oh, we got brackets too. Dave's over here handing me stuff. 3.75. Less than a pound. Just gonna call that 2 point something. We're just gonna say 2.5. What did I say? 13 plus 5, 18, another couple. We're like 20 pounds lighter per corner in the rear with moving to this Alcon package. That is impressive. Man, I think that's enough weight that you're gonna feel on the back end. Alcon package done, ready to rock on the rear of this G87. Check it out for your G80, G82, G87, whatever G8X car you have. Super impressed with how this thing came out, how it looks, excited to see how it feels, especially with how much weight we were able to lose on the back end of this thing. Almost 20 pounds off the back per corner, so almost 40 pounds, which on a car that's pretty heavy like this, I'll take that 40 pounds all day. So fronts already been released for a little bit, rears now out, so check them out at BimmerWorld.com.
You ready to go? Should be an awesome race weekend. We are ready to kill it this year. It's good. It's good.
it's gonna be a wild ride.